Thank you for the introduction. Regardless of specific industry you operate in, if you run a large organization, you need a visibility, automation, and seamless interaction between various lines of businesses. In many organizations, field services have been a blind spot. GIS field service application, all of that can be handled by a mobile application. So your worker doesn't need to drop by the office at the end of the day. Hello everyone, welcome to our new edition SD Singapore Virtual User Conference this year. Today I'm very excited to introduce our new application called Field Map application. So before I introduce our new app, let's take a small step back and see our existing field application. I'm sure you guys are familiar with all our existing field application. We have location-based apps for all the phases of the field work, starting the planning the work in the office to capture the records in the site and to monitor the real data in the real time. We have applications that help you to do the field work more efficiently by using a location dimension. Great, so now I'm going to take you to a small tour of a typical workflow that most of the local organizations and agencies are following for their field operation. This is a paper-based workflow where a dispatcher is going to release the work order for his field crew, and field crew is going to receive those work order by reaching to the office, and then they will travel back and forth to finish their workflow, finish their job without using a single mobile application. And back in the office, your dispatcher is going to manually digitize the record and match the pictures to the system. And field worker is also going to help them to receive the notes by dropping the notes in the office. And at last, your operation manager will show the report to rest of the organizations to gain the visibility. So now, as we are already in a digital world and pretty much connected with each other, so we can send and receive our tasks directly on our mobile device. So now, since everything is digital, so we can cut down our unnecessary back and forth steps for your field worker that is going to office and on the site. So we will eliminate that step. We can also remove the whole transcribing step where all of that human error can happen by empowering your field worker to add the notes and pictures directly into the system. As all of your tasks are already digital, so allow your field worker to create their own task in the mobile device. And back in office, your officer gonna approve and review those tasks what your field worker has been completed. And of course, your operation manager is going to generate the report based on the work your field worker has been done on the site by using the operation dashboard, and they will remove the need of the weekly and monthly report. So let's clean up our workflow a little bit. So to address all your digital tasks, we have a suite of ArcGIS field, mobile application and web map application, where your dispatcher is going to use the workforce application to assign the task for your field worker. And your field worker is going to use the same mobile component of the same application to receive the task and update the status of the task. They will also use the navigation application to follow the step-by-step route to the location site. They will also use the Survey 123 application to capture the data into a feature layer. And yes, of course, they will use the ArcGIS collector to capture the records and perform the inspection on the existing features by using the collector application. They can also make use of the ArcGIS Explorer application to have an extensive experience by using the new capability called markup tools. And this tool will allow them to capture the sketches and notes directly onto the mobile, on the map. So in the office, your dispatcher is going to monitor all this activity of his field crew by using the tracker application. And of course, none other than they will use the dashboard to provide a live feed to rest of the organization to have a visibility. Working with multiple apps, just now you saw we use so many mobile application to finish the work, starting from the office to the site and back in the office. So you might pose several challenges for your field worker because it requires them to figure out which application they should use for which workflow. And it also affects that offline content they has to download multiple time on per device, and sometime or base map are based on the high resolution images which put lots of load on your mobile devices. We have been heard that people feel very frustrating when they need to switch between several applications and to complete their workflow, and each time when they need to do that, they need to sign in and sign out of the application. We also heard that you are not being able to know which application is used to finish which part of your workflow, and it is difficult for you to stay current when you need to know which new capabilities have been added for which application. Yes, you guys are facing all these challenges. So like I said, we have heard you. And because of these reasons, we are bringing together the capabilities of 5 major applications into one app. Yes, you heard me right. I'm excited to share the news that this brand new application is called Field Map application. And this Field Map application is a premium iOS and Android device application, which is easy to use and simple to deploy. This application is greatly streamline your field operation story, and it also saves space on your mobile device by eliminating the duplicate download of the base map. This application creates a seamless synchronization between the office and the field, which only required you to have a field app, a web app, and the mobile app pair. The capabilities of Field Map are not new, currently implemented into across several field map applications such as ArcGIS Collector, Explorer, Tracker, Navigator, and Workforce. But now you have only one application, all these capabilities. We can replace all of these previous icons with our brand new application called Field Map. So I'm bringing you this new application here. After releasing this new application, or new workflow design will be simpler like this. Now you will replace all the field application with our new app. You can see very less application now. We will have a survey 1, 2, 3 as well, and the operation dashboard. So only the 5 application will become a one Field Map application. Let's dive into a little bit more detail about a new application. This new application so you need only the Field Map application to finish your mobile workflow by completing the map-centric workflow. You have an ability to collect the data, mark up the maps, and capture the location track, and complete the assignments and navigate the assets all from one application. And in future, you're gonna also have an indoor mapping also be a part of this new application. Being able to receive the assignments and get turn-by-turn navigation, these two capabilities are going to be part of this new application at a later date. So let's quickly jump to our demo session here. Here, our lovely new launch screen. I'm going to sign into my organization using the new scan code capability, which we already added into ArcGIS Collector. This lead me sign into a username and password using my Face ID. And then we will directly jump on the map. I want to show you the very first data collection capability here we have inside the Field Map app. So this is our bridge construction project. I'm in a pre-construction phase. Let's use the advanced GPS data collection capabilities that inherently coming from the ArcGIS Collector application and capture a new underground commercial buried service connection point. Now here I'm going to use our new snapping capability. I'm going to collect a new commercial service line that join the new endpoint to the existing wall by using a snapping. So now just walk through the attribute to fill it up and submit it. Well, in this project, we are facing one of the challenge that there are some trees that need to be relocated. So let's switch our base map to show the image where you need to see those trees around the bridge that need to be relocated. Alright, so now I'm going to open up the markup tool. So just you heard it right. This is our new capability, tool, markup tool. Markup tool, we will mark up the tree that need to be relocated, and then we will change the color and add the label to the tree. And we'll make a note saying that these trees need to be relocated before construction starting in this area. And when we are finished with that, we can close it off and share that markup back to our organization by using the image screenshot, just like we could do with the Explorer application. We can finish that part of work. So to do this same step previously, I have to jump out of the collector and sign into ArcGIS Explorer application and use the markup capability. But now these capabilities are right here in your new field map application. So all these new capabilities coming from the different application are now merged to simply in the whole workflow in one single application. Coming into ArcGIS platform, starting with the phase 1 release, you will get the ability to create the powerful new smart form by using the field map web map. In the field, your mobile workers can make use of that smart form in the mobile app to collect the data and perform inspection. In smart form, you have the ability to set up the groups. Let's see, if you have a long form with 50 fields or more, then it's very hard for you to scroll through the mobile device. In this new capability, we call Smart Form capability of field map application, you have actually capability to group your fields together. You can collapse them, you can expand those groups, you can even apply some logical expression to the field so that you only need to see the required information that you need to fill out. You can also specify required field, means the mandatory field, if your mobile worker must add a value to the field before they submit edit. So well, all this capability will speed up your work and definitely will make your work more efficient. So let's quickly jump to our second session of demo where I'm going to show you the smart form. Here I'm going to tap on the fire hydrant. You see all the details from the pop-up will come up. Yes, so all these details are coming up right now. So we have a relationship between the hydrant and hydrant inspection here. So here we will you will straight notice that we don't have a typical form. This form looks pretty much different than our usual form. In this smart form, we can organize the information into logical group, can collapse those groups and can need to fill it out. So we will fill the name and the date here. So now I will tap on the flush required field group and set the status to yes. When I do that, the additional information questions appear that need to be filled out for the form. But if I select status no, then no information is appearing. So let's set the status yes, and then you will see the PSI pressure, fill it up and then submit it. Now I want to show you some more capability. So just now you saw the great capabilities of Collector and Explorer application and the smart form capability all inside of one application. Now I want to show you another map. So this map is not for the purpose of the data collection for the distributor facility. So this map is for the distributor facility, and this map has an electrical network for the city of Naperville. You can see all of that rich information is coming up right now. But one of the thing you might notice there, that there's no collection button in this map. So this is a read-only map. Sometimes we do require such kind of map to locate the asset that perhaps covered by the trees, and then use the compass capability to navigate right through them with the accuracy of the GPS. Okay, so well, we did all this inside the one application without signing out and signing into the another application. There's one more thing I want to show you right now, that the map that our package and published as a part of the publisher extension are also available inside this application. Here we have a Road County mobile package that we published by the Road County in Colorado for their assessor and the general public as well. Inside the Field Map app, we can download the mobile package directly into my device, just like I can do add an offline area for a map that I want to edit. So I can download that, I can open it up, and then I can zoom in and find some more detail. I could access the bookmark that are inherent in this mobile package as well. You can look at the specific location, and then as an assessor, I will get down to the area that really need me interest, and I can see the parcel details as well. Alright, so since it's one application, if you did need to edit anything, you can open up on the map for the editing purpose as well. So it sounds great to me. Alright, so our new app, ArcGIS Field Map, will release in 3 phases. First phase will include all the capabilities of the ArcGIS Collector, ArcGIS Explorer, Tracker on the iOS and Android devices. It will include the new capabilities of Smart Form for the data collection and also indoor mapping. Our first phase is going to release in September 2020. The second phase will focus on the work management. It will include the tasking capabilities of the workforce assignment within the map, and will have some additional mapping and data collection and tracking capabilities. Phase 2 is going to release in the first quarter of the 2021, but no dates has been released yet. Our third phase will focus on the navigation, including a turn-by-turn navigation, voice guidance, and other capabilities of the navigator. So here are some resources. The first one is a blog, which will give you a brief introduction of our new application Field Map. The second link is for your beta program. You can sign in that beta program before we even release our first phase. So with this slide, I'm going to wrap up this presentation. As you know, managing field operation can be pretty much daunting task. Not only you have to manage the worker in the field, but also you need to coordinate the schedule. You need to keep track of the equipment and respond to the unplanned events. You also need to maintain the high level of service commitment. So by using our GIS application, especially the new one, Field Map application, you can optimize efficiency in the field activity by using a powerful location intelligence. Well, it's a time for you to make the digital transformation. And believe me, transforming paper process to digital is not increasing your work. Rather than it will reduce cost, boost your data accuracy, and increase your efficiency. Thank you so much.